Automated list Python program examples, created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Let's use the Python idle that will help us create a list of values for us. You must type 2 or more values to start creating your list. Execute run the Python program example below to view your created list of values, along with their variable name. Simply highlight all the blue text output, and then copy then paste that blue Python idle text output back into your Python idle editor. Next, execute run the pasted Python code and watch it create a list of values, as if you had created the actual Python list and laid out yourself. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine, or 2X.